Hey there, aspiring trainers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this fourth episode, we're going to delve into the process of crafting effective learning outcomes that align with your workshop objectives. So, let's get started. As trainers, it's crucial to craft meaningful and measurable learning outcomes that guide the learning journey of your participants. Learning outcomes define what participants will be able to do or achieve as a result of attending your workshop. So, how can we craft such learning outcomes? Let me share some practical examples, expert insights, and actionable tips to empower you on your journey to becoming a successful trainer. 1. Start with the workshop objectives. Your learning outcomes should directly align with the overall objectives of your workshop. For example, if your workshop objective is to teach participants effective communication skills, your learning outcome could be, by the end of this workshop, participants will be able to confidently deliver a persuasive presentation using effective verbal and nonverbal communication techniques. 2. Be specific and measurable. Learning outcomes should be clear, specific, and measurable. Avoid vague statements and focus on specific skills or knowledge that participants will acquire. For instance, instead of saying, participants will understand the importance of teamwork, you could state, participants will be able to collaborate effectively in a team by actively listening, sharing ideas, and resolving conflicts. 3. Use action verbs. Use action verbs to describe what participants will be able to do. Action verbs such as analyze, create, evaluate, or apply indicate the level of cognitive engagement and provide clarity about the expected outcomes. For example, participants will be able to analyze data to make informed business decisions. 4. Consider Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy provides a framework for designing learning outcomes that move beyond basic knowledge recall. It categorizes learning into different levels of cognitive complexity, including remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Incorporate these levels into your learning outcomes to ensure a comprehensive learning experience. 5. Align with assessment methods. Your learning outcomes should align with the assessment methods you plan to use. If you intend to assess participants' ability to apply a skill, ensure that your learning outcome reflects that. This alignment helps you design appropriate assessments and measure the achievement of your learning outcome. 6. Involve participants in the process. Engage your participants in the learning outcome development process. Seek their input and ask for their expectations. This involvement fosters a sense of ownership and ensures that the learning outcomes are relevant and meaningful to them. Remember, crafting effective learning outcomes is a continuous process. Regularly review and refine your learning outcomes based on participant feedback and the evolving needs of your audience. So, it's time to level up your workshop design by crafting meaningful and measurable learning outcomes. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore the secrets of effective facilitation techniques for trainers.